Horses out, we have Big Apple. Pass to begin, Small Town Lady in second, Touch of Class. Racing in fourth, Security General. Then followed over by Speed Admiral. Boyo, third last, second last, Teen Titan, and Flash Away is the early trailer. We have Big Apple by about 2 lengths. A Small Town Lady is right behind in second, 3 lengths away in third, Touch of Class. Security General now moving up to take third. 4 lengths away in fifth, Boyo, Speed Admiral, Teen Titan, and Flash Away still racing in last. And it's still Big Apple by about 2 lengths. A Small Town Lady is still in second. Security General now trying to get closer in third, Touch of Class in fourth. And it's still Big Apple by about a length and a half. And in second remains Small Town Lady. Security General is racing in third. And as they come down at the last 150, and it's still Big Apple. And on the outside is Small Town Lady. Big Apple still in front by Oralenka. Small Town Lady is on the outside second. But it's still Big Apple followed by Small Town Lady. Entering the finish line, Big Apple, Small Town Lady in second. And finally, Big Apple. A Small Town Lady. Then comes number 5, Boyo. Flash Away, number 2.